Understanding Trademark Objection. How to respond effectively. Introduction. Trademark objections are common in the registration process. They don't mean rejection. Common reasons for trademark objection. 1. Similarity to an existing trademark. Confusion with registered marks can lead to objections. 2. Lack of distinctiveness. Trademarks must be unique and not generic. 3. Incorrect documentation. Errors in classification or missing documents can cause issues. 4. Descriptive or offensive terms. Marks that describe products or are offensive may be rejected. How to respond to a trademark objection. First, analyze the objection notice. Understand the registrar's concerns. Next, draft a strong response. Provide legal justifications and evidence of uniqueness. File your response on time. Deadlines are strict in trademark objections. Finally, seek legal assistance. Experts can strengthen your case and improve approval chances. Final thoughts. Trademark objections are part of the journey. Address them effectively to protect your brand. Need help? Contact us for expert guidance. 825 crores 26,70,079. www.daakhilnow.com